Security procedure for security guards during drone attacks. Dear security guard, these are important guidance to protect yourself and protect the community. Before any emergency, make sure of the following. Identify the safe areas inside the building, such as interior corridors and room away from windows. Avoid dangerous areas such as glass, trackers, and upper floors. Knowing the emergency exits well and know the locations of the gas and the electricity shut-off points. Always keep an emergency kit nearby. You may first hear a low buzzing sound similar to the sound of a small motorcycle. You may also see a drone with triangle wings flying at a low altitude. If you hear this sound and someone reports this to you, immediately begin applying the safety procedures. Do not allow the public to stop and look the sky. Curiosity can lead to danger. Direct everyone immediately towards safe areas. Divide the crowd into smaller, separate groups so they do not become a single target. Ask everyone to move away immediately. Have them run at a side angle away from the drone path. Direct them to take cover behind a solid wall or any low ground. Keep them away from vehicles, fuel tanks, and power poles. Help children and the elderly. Assist those who cannot move quickly towards safe areas. If there is no nearby cover, tell the public. Do exactly as I do now. Lie flat on your stomach. Point your feet towards the direction of the explosion. Cover your head and ears with your hand. Open your mouth slightly to reduce the pressure waves. People usually follow the security guard. Be a role model in your action. Move everyone away from glass windows immediately. Flying glass can be deadly. Move them to interior corridors or low floors. Ask them to take cover under study tables. Do not allow the use of elevators. Use the stairs only. Be alert. Attacks may come in successive waves. Do not allow anyone to leave immediately. Keep everyone in their place until the authorities announce it is safe. If there's injuries, bring the first aid kit immediately. Ask the people around you, is there anyone with first aid experience? Ask them to assist you. Focus first on stopping the bleeding by applying direct pressure to the wounds. Do not allow anyone to touch any debris or unexploded parts. Do not allow any filming. Recording the strike location may help the enemy identify the target. Ask everyone not to share any videos or information. If you hear explosion while driving, slow down immediately and pull over the side of the road. Stay away from bridges and power poles. If there is nearby building, enter it and take shelter inside. In open areas, remain inside your vehicle, turn off the engine and stay below the level of the windows. If you need immediate assistance, contact the relevant authorities in the United Arab Emirates. These authorities are always ready to protect your community. Stay safe, stay healthy.